Hi folks, welcome to week 6 of image editing applications. This week we're going to go ahead and explore Inkscape. Many of you might know what that is. It is a freeware application online that you can download to your computer easily. You will be downloading and installing, opening multiple images. You'll be using layers, text, and multiple functions, manipulating images, and then composing a collage for me to view. So I'm excited to see what you have in store. Go ahead and look at the download here. You can download to your system. These are some tutorials on how to use it. Take some time to really explore the interface. And then here's the forum to show others what you're working on, what you completed. And here is your submission link. So enjoy this, and along with your submission link in your forum, be sure that you are doing a simple overview of how your perspective is on the usability. Is it user-friendly? Is it intuitive? Talk about how you feel about this particular application. Okay, I will see you in next week's virtual video.